Hello and welcome back to Lumosity. Time for a normal training session. A normal one meaning it's the daily one, it's the one I have to do every day if I want to keep that streak going, and I want to keep that streak going. I'll keep it going as long as I can keep it going, and that's hopefully a long time. A lot longer than it was last time, which was 198. Got 198 in that streak. Last streak I did. It was pretty awesome, I think. But it was not awesome when I lost it. I'll just leave it at that. I'll just tell you that, yeah? You can probably imagine that quite an accomplishment as that would be tough to lose. And lose it I did. So, but not this time. This time will be different. This time we'll hold a stronger streak together. Yes, we'll build it and make it strong. Stronger than ever. Stronger than any that has ever been before. Ow! We will take the pain. We will do what it takes. We will get the strongest streak that anyone has ever strung. I think it's like 653. Oh gosh. I remember reading that is the largest streak that has ever been strung. 653 or something around that. It's a lot. Okay, 2 years of not missing a single day almost. Almost 2 years of that. Impressive. Very impressive. That would make for a lot of episodes. It'd make for like 600 episodes, huh? I've got a long streak of recording ahead of me. Many terabytes are going to be wasted on this. Oh well, data is cheap. You know, storage of data, very cheap. That is until it starts to get to be around 4K, you know, until we start recording in 4K. And then it will not be cheap, will it? Yeah, 4K is a little bit expensive to store. Yeah, that footage. Not something you want to have lying around. A bunch of 4K. Although, word is that YouTube will actually allow such a resolution. They'll actually accept the 4K footage. I don't know why, but I read that. I remember reading that they will. Okay, so this is 10,000 less score than I got yesterday. How nice. Let's see, what day is this? 31st. Yes, it's the 31st. The last day. It's New Year's Eve for me, and yesterday I got the highest score I've ever gotten, and today I've gotten a pitiful baby score. Pitiful baby score. If you saw a baby that pitiful, you would almost certainly give it some candy and not take its candy away, because it wouldn't have any. It's that pitiful. It's so pitiful it doesn't even have any candy. So yes, you take from the rich babies with all the candy and you give to the poor ones with no candy. That's how it works. Some Robin Hood baby. A Robin Hood for babies. The candy redistributor. It's easy work. It's easy work. It's like taking candy from a baby, you might say. And obviously, giving candy to a baby, not a hard thing to do. Either. Now, of course, I've heard people say, I know, we've all heard the stories, that taking candy from a baby is actually extremely difficult. It's like harder to pickpocket candy off of a baby than off of anyone else, pretty much. Well, that's usually true unless you come across a baby like I was, in which case I'd throw it at your face. And then you have to wash it off, I guess, if you want to eat it. You know, it's kind of nasty. Yeah, just throw it at your face. That you try to take my candy away in your face. In your face. Not the place where you want it either. No, not in your mouth, in your face. Like eye region. Your eye regions where it's a part of your face is going to get pelted by candy. That's loud. You don't want anyone to be posting the comment 513. Rest in peace, headphone users. Yeah, I don't want any of those comments, you know? I will not be known as the person who kills headphone users. Why? I use headphones also. We have to stick together. Us headphone users, you know? We have to stick together, the league of delicate eardrums. Ow. It is a little bit loud. Let's turn that down just in case, you know? What is this now? There. I don't know how to spell it though, so I'm not gonna try to type that in. Shuriken. That almost doesn't. No, it doesn't work at all. Chicken. Chicken. That's gotta be it. That's just a little simple and. That's what I originally thought it was. Alright. That blends in well. That doesn't. There you go. Oh. Got you. Mockingbird. I got this. There are just so few birds that have that many letters in their name. I almost wrote in there Mockingjay, but, well, I know that's, I know this game only includes the fantasy version. They got a little typo in there, I guess. Little mistake. Having a Mockingbird instead of the Mockingjay. It's fine. I mean, well, I read Hunger Games, too. I love it. My favorite book. One of my favorites. I understand. I understand that you can't get it right all the time, you know? It's fine. I mean, I get it. Okay, what is this? Franbird? Grandbird? No clue. I mean, I've got a clue. It's the wrong one. And yes, I know that Mockingbird's the real bird, and I was just joking, alright? But I do seriously get it mixed up sometimes. Now, I was not one of them, though. I was just trying to make you laugh. Alright? Obviously, I failed if you're still questioning me, but I tried, alright? I tried. It was a lame joke, I know, but I tried, alright? I have to try. That's the whole point here. Oxenbird. Ironbird. Ironbird. Oh, openbird. Openbird. Freebird, openbird. Ovenbird. Oh, that's actually correct. Ovenbird. Who knew? Who knew? Gosh. Ovenbird. That's a crazy name, huh? I would totally not have known that if I had not played this game a billion times. No, I haven't, but I played it a million times, so it's fine. Yeah, I remember. No, I haven't. I played like, what, 1,000? I probably played this game over 100 times, to be honest. Completely honest, I've played this over 100 times. So, yeah. Alright, what is this? Bird. Mockingbird. Alright, well that works, but it's not correct, because we already got that, so. What else is it? Free. I don't know. I've no clue. Oh gosh, if it's another R or D, I'm going to P. I mean, eventually I have to. No, I'm not going to now. It's just, you know, it's, Hummingbird, of course. Of course it's Hummingbird. I knew that. Just, it's unfair to get it after the first letter, you know? What is this? No way of knowing. It's 4-letter birds? There are a lot of 4-letter birds. Let's just say that. There are so many 4-letter birds. You've no clue how many four-letter birds there are. My gosh, a lot. But of course, when there are two I's and an S in a four-letter bird, it's not too hard. Oh gosh, I don't remember which one it is. Lucky guess. Lucky guess. 20% chance of getting it right, and I did. Right, 5 options. One correct one. I don't know, maybe I remembered it anyway. I just didn't think I did. Just trying to excuse me. Oh my gosh, that was good. Did you see that? It was like, perfect. Shrike. Sure. What is this? Thresher? Thrasher. There's a thresh, and then there's a thrasher. Oh, not a thrasher, though. Not a thrasher. Only the thresher. There. It will thrash you. R. Okay. L. Ah, yes. And T. Petrol. Obviously a petrol. Now, whether I can spell this correctly, no clue. And, oh, I got it right. Yes. Got it right. Uh-oh. Oh, Phil. Let's see, what would it be? Pig-eon. Obviously, it's a pig-eon. An eonical pig, a pig lasting for eons. No, it's a scoter. Well, I don't think I could have guessed that. I've never heard of a scoter before, ever. You must learn what a scoter is on your millionth playthrough, or 1,000th, and I'm not there yet, so. But now we have it, scoter. Okay, speed merch. Oh, we got a big screen. That screen's a little too big. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just not used to it. Alright, speed match. This is a screen I'm used to. What you got? Huh? Yesterday I got a top 5 score on you. No, I didn't. I got a good score. It was not a top 5, though. It was a good score. It was no, it wasn't. It was a bad score, but it was better than some you've seen. Probably better than this one. Because I was going like lightning quick and missing every once in a while, but I was still going quicker than this. Ow. And I'm making mistakes today anyway, so I'm not doing better at all. I'm doing very much worse. Come on. Come on, almost there. Just a few more. There, it's about what I got yesterday. It's amazing. It goes up 500 each one correct. Each one correct goes up 500. It's amazing. Nice workout, CChesster. You're making boss progress. Look at all these boss scores. +1, everything. 10 boss points earned. Like a boss. Lumosity points are the ultimate measure of your boss cognitive fitness. You earn them for training bossly and consistently and performing at your very bossest. More alert, more energized, more boss. Alright, well that ends this boss episode. Thanks for watching it like a boss. If you want to watch the next boss episode, then be a boss and come back. Alright. Goodbye, all my bosses.